Hi, everyone. This is Marcy and David aboard Nine of Cups on our passage across the South Atlantic Ocean. Capturing flying fish on video is a real challenge. They're sneaky, cheeky, calculating critters. Without warning, they'll jump en masse, hundreds of them, and skirt across the ocean's surface for several meters before diving back into the sea. They're unpredictable and fast. We sat for hours, camera in hand, and with perseverance finally got some video footage. We find flying fish in the scuppers most mornings. They're usually stiff, flat, and very dead. Then Bob showed up, barely alive and quite worse for the wear. We called him Bob the Stink because it's evident that underwing deodorant is not an option for flying fish. The poor guy. He had a sprained wing, a slight concussion, plus multiple contusions and abrasions. We splinted the wing and patched him up as best we could. He was a pitiful sight. We let him mend in a bucket of seawater on deck, his own little recovery room. He recouped quickly, but it appeared he had forgotten how to fly. Perhaps some sort of brain damage as a result of the concussion? It was obvious a little physical therapy was in order. David patiently began the task of retraining him, demonstrating over and over the proper flying fish techniques that we'd seen in our travels. Bob wasn't particularly graceful, but he was a quick, enthusiastic learner. A close bond developed between David and Bob, as is often the case between teachers and special students. After passing his ground school tests, he was finally ready for solo flight. He was always exhausted after his initial flights. Getting him to land smoothly on the lifelines created quite a challenge for him, but he was a determined fish and finally succeeded. As sad as it was, we knew Bob needed to leave his bucket and return to his own world. After about a week of recuperation and flying lessons, he was ready once again to join his buddies. He flew off, and with a wink of his blue eye and a dip of his wings, he was gone. A very fond memory of our South Atlantic crossing. For other attempts at entertaining and how-to videos, visit our daily blog site at www.justalittlefurther.com or our website at www.ninacups.com.